simple recipe, a quick breakfast. And today we are making egg pizza, and I'll teach you step by step on how to make it. It is very simple, it is very delicious, and it's something that it doesn't even take time, something that you can just make for that quick breakfast. And yes, this is it. So if you've not been following me, follow me, like, comment, tell me what else you'd like me to make for you, and let's get straight into the video.
We are starting off strong with our remaining plantain from yesterday. And the ingredients are tomato, pepper, onion, plantain, groundnut oil, and don't forget your spices. With your egg, slice your tomato, onions, and pepper. Then we are going to wash and slice our plantain thinly. A circular size is preferable. Preheat your oil and start frying your plantain. It's advisable to fry on low heat. Make sure to fry until it is golden brown. Once it's done, set it aside, reduce the quantity of your oil, and proceed to break your egg. Add your diced onion, your tomato, your pepper, add everything into your egg, then go in with your spices. Mix them all together and proceed to fry your egg on low heat as well. Remember that you are frying on low heat and always cover the egg. I set aside my spring onion and pepper for finishing touches. At this stage, you can start sticking in your plantain one by one to the egg. You can add as much as you like. When you are done, cover it up and allow it to be properly done. Then go ahead with your spring onion and red pepper for the finishing touch, like I mentioned earlier, to give it that beautiful bright look. As you can see, this food is ready. So you are going to take it down and try to check if it's sticky. Now, this is the tricky part. Place a plate over your frying pan and turn it upside down, because if you try to use your spoon to get it out, it might break. So use a plate, place it upside down and turn it. And once you are done, you use another plate to turn it back again like I did in this video. Now this is the finished look, and you can see how good it looks. It doesn't only look good, it tastes nice as well. So let me know if you'll be trying this and what else you want us to prepare. I'll be in the comments. Thank you, bye, and have a nice day.